Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. The 2017 Honda Fury with only 41,411 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It's been upgraded with a passenger seat, passenger foot pegs, and a passenger backrest. The Fury looks like a chopper but offers reliable performance and handling, making it a great option for a rider who likes customs, but not the setbacks associated with customs. Powered by a 1312cc V twin engine, the Fury puts impressive power through a 5-speed transmission. It has a 26.9-inch seat height and a dry weight of 663 pounds. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please visit the listing on our website. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.